What would you do if you arrived at your dream destination only to discover the medication you packed is now illegal to possess? One senior traveler from Boston found this out the hard way when Italian customs seized her prescription sleep aids, leaving her sleepless for a 14-day Mediterranean cruise. Today, I'm revealing the 8 absolute essentials senior travelers need to pack in 2025. Items that could literally save your trip, your health, and thousands in emergency expenses. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe for more insider travel hacks. It helps us keep these secrets coming your way. Let's dive in. Number 1. Digital medical passport. Gone are the days when a simple doctor's note would suffice. In 2025, border agents in over 30 countries now require seniors to present a digital medical passport, especially for controlled medications or medical devices. This encrypted QR code connects to a secure database confirming your prescriptions and medical needs are legitimate. Without one, your medications might be confiscated. Or worse, you could face detention while authorities verify your claims. The system was quietly implemented after a surge in prescription drug smuggling. But here's what they don't advertise. You can get one for free through your insurance portal or Medicare's travel assistance program. Don't pay the $75 fee third-party services charge for the exact same documentation. And there's another critical reason to have this. In medical emergencies abroad, hospitals can instantly access your health history, potentially saving your life when minutes matter. But this digital solution creates another problem I'll reveal shortly. Number 2. Medication documentation system. If you're traveling with more than 2 prescription medications, which applies to 68% of senior travelers, customs officials can flag you for secondary screening. But there's a specific organization system that virtually guarantees you'll breeze through. First, keep all medications in their original bottles, a rule that's now being strictly enforced. But here's the critical step most travelers miss. Create a medication schedule chart that includes the generic names, not just brand names. Many foreign pharmacists won't recognize Lipitor, but will immediately know atorvastatin. One viewer, Margaret, wrote to us about being detained for 3 hours in Dubai because she combined her pills into one of those weekly organizers. The customs agent suspected pill smuggling, and without original packaging, she nearly missed her cruise departure. But the most dangerous mistake isn't about customs, it's about climate. Coming up next, I'll explain why the luggage compartment on your flight could render your medications completely useless. Number 3. Temperature-controlled medication carriers. Most travelers don't realize that checked baggage compartments can reach temperatures below freezing or above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, particularly on long-haul flights. For certain medications, including insulin, specific heart medications, and many biologics, these temperature swings can destroy effectiveness without changing appearance. The FDA quietly released a report in late 2024 estimating that 23% of seniors travel with at least one temperature-sensitive medication that's being compromised during air travel. The solution isn't expensive, but it is specific. Invest in a validated temperature-controlled medication carrier, not just any insulated bag. Look for ones with the TSA Med Verify symbol, which allows them through security without additional screening. These carriers maintain temperatures between 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit for insulin or 59 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit for other medications, using phase-change materials rather than ice packs, which are increasingly restricted on international flights. The difference could be a working medication versus one that's silently degraded to uselessness. But medication is just the beginning of what seniors need to protect while traveling in 2025. Number 4. Power backup ecosystem. Here's something most travel advisors won't tell you. In 2025, hotel power outages have increased by 31% worldwide due to aging infrastructure and climate-related grid instability. For seniors with CPAP machines, medication refrigeration needs, or electronic medical devices, this isn't just an inconvenience, it's potentially life-threatening. You need what I call a power backup ecosystem, not just a single power bank. First, pack a medical-grade power bank with at least 26,800 mAh capacity, currently the maximum allowed by airlines. These specialized banks provide pure sine wave output that won't damage sensitive medical equipment. Second, add a dual voltage converter that automatically detects and adjusts to foreign electrical systems. Many seniors damage their devices with standard converters that can't handle power fluctuations common in developing regions. Finally, include a compact surge protector with battery backup. Yes, they now make travel-sized ones weighing under a pound. This protects your devices from the voltage spikes that frequently damage electronics abroad. One viewer, Richard, credited this system with saving his wife's insulin during a 72-hour power outage in Costa Rica last year. But securing your power supply reveals yet another vulnerability most senior travelers overlook. Number 5. Enhanced Device Security Kit. Senior travelers are now the #1 target for electronics theft while traveling, particularly medical devices that can be resold on black markets. The latest scam involves thieves specifically targeting seniors in hotel lobbies, identifying those with medical devices, then breaking into their rooms while they're at dinner. Your defense starts with a portable door alarm. Not the cheap ones, but models with movement sensors that detect lock tampering. Add a portable safe specifically sized for medical devices, which can be secured to fixed furniture or plumbing. Most critically, include Bluetooth trackers in your medical kit and devices. The newest models work globally without requiring phone connectivity and can help local authorities recover stolen items quickly. One caveat: make sure they're the newer type that can't be used to track you once you leave the area. The enhanced security isn't just about theft prevention. It's about ensuring you never lose access to potential life-saving equipment and medications. But what happens when you've secured everything properly and still face a medical emergency abroad? Number 6. Telemedicine Backup Plan. International hospitals often charge seniors triple the local rates, assuming Americans have unlimited insurance coverage. One emergency room visit for something as simple as severe dehydration can cost upwards of $5,000 in popular retirement destinations like Portugal or Panama. Your essential safeguard is a comprehensive telemedicine plan that works internationally. But not all services are created equal. Many advertise worldwide coverage, but actually only operate in a handful of countries. Look specifically for services with the International Telemedicine Association certification, which guarantees they have doctors licensed in your destination country who can legally prescribe medications locally. These services can diagnose many common travel ailments and send prescriptions directly to nearby pharmacies, often saving thousands in hospital fees. Even more valuable, they can tell you when symptoms actually do require in-person treatment, potentially saving your life when serious conditions present with misleading symptoms. But telemedicine only works if you can communicate effectively, which leads to our next essential. Number 7. Translation tools beyond Google. Language barriers become medical emergencies when you can't explain symptoms or understand treatment instructions. While many seniors rely on Google Translate, its medical translation accuracy rate is only about 68%, potentially dangerous when precision matters. Instead, you need a two-part solution. First, download a medical translation app like Medibabble or Canopy Speak, which are specifically designed for healthcare situations with pre-translated symptom descriptions and medical terminology. Second, carry a real-time translator device with medical enhancement software. The latest models can translate conversation in real time, while specifically recognizing over 3,000 medical terms with 97% accuracy. They work without internet connections and can be handed to medical professionals during emergencies. One senior couple from Minnesota told us this tool literally saved the husband's life when he developed a severe allergic reaction in Japan. He couldn't communicate his medication allergies, but the device accurately translated the critical information. But having the right tools is meaningless if you can't access them in an emergency. Number 8. Emergency Info System. The conventional wisdom of keeping emergency contacts in your phone fails when your phone is lost, damaged, or simply out of battery. In 2025, every senior traveler needs a redundant emergency information system. Start with a wearable QR medical ID, either as a bracelet, necklace, or even temporary tattoo for beach destinations. When scanned, it provides essential health information even if you're unconscious. Make sure it's waterproof and displays the universal medical symbol so emergency responders know to check it. Next, create physical emergency cards in the local language of your destination. Place one in each piece of luggage, your day bag, and your wallet or purse. Include emergency contacts, key medical conditions, and medications, but never your travel itinerary or hotel information, which could put you at risk if lost. Finally, register with the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, which has been enhanced for 2025 to include medical emergency protocols. The service now connects directly to local U.S. embassies who can coordinate emergency medical responses specifically for senior travelers. Traveling as a senior in 2025 can be incredible, but one forgotten essential can turn paradise into panic. I've heard stories of trips ruined over a missing digital medical record or a dead power bank. One viewer even avoided a hospital stay thanks to a temperature-controlled pill case. These items aren't extras. They're your peace of mind. So, which one surprised you most? Or do you have a must-pack item I didn't mention? Share it in the comments. You might help another traveler stay safe. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Passport Pro. See you in the next video. And as always, travel smarter, not harder.